it's can be challenging trying to get a program like this started and implementing it throughout your company. One of the biggest challenges that we face day to day is the fact that the bore tracking has to be done after the drilling, but before the load crew arrives, before we go to blast. And, with enough time for the blaster to be able to review the information and make sure he knows what he's getting into before he shows up that morning. And I'm sure, as everyone in the industry knows, a lot of times these customers, they want you loading the hole the second that last hole is drilled because they need the rock. So it can be challenging trying to get everything coordinated correctly. And, sometimes it means late nights or early mornings to make sure everything's done. But, it's definitely pays off in the long run. It's been very beneficial for us. Obviously, the equipment, it can be, a little expensive starting up, but, with Strayos and being able to use the drones, it's significantly more affordable than it used to be. I believe, we were paying almost $40,000 for a 3D scanner. And, when you compare that to the cost of a drone is and how much more accurate and easy to use the drones are, it's really a no-brainer. And it's nice that, a lot more people have had access to the technology at this point. Training, I know a lot of people, get nervous about it. It's difficult to get started. You need to get someone that knows what they're doing and knows how to use the equipment to kind of get your feet on the ground and get rolling. Everyone has been super helpful with us in the transition. Robbie was great in, learning how to fly benches and how to, correctly capture the data to get us our most accurate product. And once we got started, it worked out really well. We were able to train other technicians internally and expand the team and get, a lot more people doing it. And like Aaron said earlier, we're now, all the way down to Tennessee with technicians active all the time and covering a large area.
Yeah. And really at the end of the day, it can be expensive, but one bad fly rock, can cost more than putting the whole team and buying all that equipment and everything else. And let alone reputation and just the actual cost of it. So it is something really worth it.